Okay, we have a Haas EC400 PP 4-axis horizontal machining center with a pallet pool. Serial number 2052365. Machine was new in 2007 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has 15 3/4 inch or 400 millimeter pallets. You have 20 inches of X travel, 20 of Y, and 20 of Z. This machine has the 12,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40. You have a 70 ATC automatic tool changer, 70 tool, 70 position. You have the pallet pool, which allows you 6 pallets total. And you have 0.001 index or a full 4th axis on the rotary pallets. That's 3,500 RPM. You have chip augers and a chip conveyor. This machine's very well equipped. 7,500 RPM. Machine also is equipped with the RENISHAW Probe Whips wireless intuitive probing system. 9,500 RPM. Doing a tool change or simulating a tool change. Do another. Moving the X. The Y. Z. The B. I'm going to do a pallet change. I'm going to run the merry-go-round.
Grabbing a pallet.
Yep. And we are done. So we've seen the machine pallet change, you've seen the B-axis rotate, you've seen X, Y, and Z, you've seen the spindle run, you've seen it simulate a tool change. Hey, thank you for watching our video.